Local well-known bookstore, Eslite wins trademark infringement lawsuit against Champion Moving Company and receives monetary award for the trademark infringement lawsuit initiated by Eslite Corporation, hereinafter Eslite, against Champion Moving Company, hereinafter collectively referred to as Champion, and its responsible person. The IP court in the second instance proceedings reversed the first instance judgment by ruling that Champion should be enjoined from using any mark identical or similar to Eslite's registered two Chinese characters mark Changpin, Changpin Eslite, and Changpin Logistics, hereinafter collectively referred to as the Eslite marks, for the services categorized in Class 8, Class 35, and Class 39. Also, the IP court ordered that Champion should change its company name, remove or destroy all signboards, business cards, advertisements, web pages, and any other marketing items carrying or containing the mark identical or similar to Eslite marks, and should pay 3 million Taiwan dollars in damages to Eslite. The IP court's first instance judgment should be vacated accordingly. As elaborated in the judgment, Champion used the two Chinese characters, Changpin alone on the truck for moving business, on the cardboard boxes for transportation, and on employee uniform. It is self-explanatory that Champion used the two Chinese characters, Changpin, as a trademark for designating the source of its products and services. Eslite, however, has registered the two Chinese characters, Changpin, as a trademark since 1989, filing date on March 4, 1999. With one of its registration numbers, number 1430888, for use on the designated service of packaging for product transportation under Class 39. In this regard, Champion's use of the mark identical to the two Chinese characters mark Changpin, the earlier trademark, for a business that is identical or highly similar to that of Eslite, obviously leads to violation of the Taiwan Trademark Act. Besides, the two Chinese characters mark Changpin had already been a well-known and multi-class trademark familiar to consumers before Champion's establishment. Fully aware of the two Chinese characters mark Changpin being a famous trademark owned by Eslite, Champion still used Changpin as company name, and therefore led to a likelihood of consumers' confusion and impaired Eslite's business reputation.